Hello, everybody. Happy spring. Happy Easter. I'm Mrs. Gooden.
I'm Jason.
And we're going to share some stories with you. Hopefully you'll enjoy them. Have a very wonderful spring, and we look forward to seeing you. This story is called Easter Bunny by Catherine S. Gibson. It is from the Wee Wisdom magazine that Unity Church put out starting back in 1900 or 1902. This issue is from the April 1954. Has lovely pictures. We hope you enjoy it. Easter Bunny by Catherine S. Gibson. A mother bunny said one day to her bunny family, "You're growing up. You must decide just what you'd like to be." One bunny said he would be rich. He thought it must be gay to have a lot of money and spend it every day. The second said he'd travel. He thought it fun to roam and visit lands both far and near and never stay at home. The third one tossed his head and said he wished so much for fame, he thought with only half a chance he could win wide acclaim. The last small bunny did not care for travel, fame, or money. He said he'd like to spread good cheer and be an Easter bunny.